Boeing's pre-production MQ-25 Stingray, a glimpse into the future of unmanned naval aviation. Boeing has unveiled visuals of its advanced pre-production model of the MQ-25 Stingray, a revolutionary tanker drone in development for the US Navy. The MQ-25 Stingray program's current representation has primarily been the T1 demonstrator, but the recent visuals provided by Boeing offer a fresh perspective on what the production models might entail. The visible attributes of the fuselage are strikingly analogous to the T1 demonstrator. The presence of similar features, such as the upper flush-mounted inlet and the unique trapezoidal exhaust, suggest that variations between the T1 and the production MQ-25 may be relatively minimal. This is noteworthy, given that the T1 was initially designed for different mission sets under the Unmanned Carrier-Launched Airborne Surveillance and Strike (UCLASS) program. The MQ-25 Stingray, once operational, is expected to significantly enhance the US Navy's capabilities. It will serve a dual purpose, performing critical refueling support and undertaking intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. The integration of these drones will allow tanker-tasked F/A-18E F-jets to concentrate on their core mission objectives, expanding the operational scope of strike fighter squadrons. The Navy envisages a future where the majority of its carrier air wings are unmanned, making the MQ-25 a foundational element for future carrier drone operations. The operational and control procedures developed during the MQ-25 program will likely shape the protocols for subsequent higher-performance carrier-based drone aircraft programs. The initial operational capability of the MQ-25, originally anticipated by 2025, has experienced delays, pushing the timeline to 2026. Nevertheless, the progression illustrated in the new video indicates a reinvigoration of the program's pace. Despite the setbacks, the development and subsequent integration of the MQ-25s are poised to redefine naval air operations, offering unparalleled strategic advantages and shaping the future trajectory of naval aviation. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.